Prabha started a business by investing 32,000. After 5 months, Amit joined her with a capital of 22,000. At the end of the year, total profit was 16,409. What was Prabha's share in the profit? Right. Now, 32,000 and 22,000. First person started with 12,000. 32,000 will be there for 12 months. And second person started after 5 months, so will be there for 7 months. So, ratio 2, 11 times, 2, 6 times. 32 6 times? Any more cancellations? No. 32 6 times? 192. 11 7 times? 77. Total how many parts we have? 269 parts is already given in question, which is equal to 16,409. 16,409. Now you are asked to calculate profit share of first person or second person? Profit share of first person or second person? That is equal to 192 parts is equal to how much? 1640. How many times? 6 times? 269 6 times? 200 into 6? Come on. 1200. 60 into 6? 36. That is 12, no, 15, 60. And then 6 into 9? 15, 54. Total 1614. Antena? 1614. Still you have 26 and then 9? That is 1. Total how many times? 61 times. Total 61 times. 192, 61 times. Let us take this number as 200 minus 8. 200, 61 times. 6100 times, 6100. 200 times, 6100 double, come on. 6100 double, 12,200. From this you need to subtract 8 times of 61. 8 times of 61 in the sense 488. Subtract 1000, add 512. Subtract 1000, you will have 11,000. Add 512, that becomes 712. 11,712. Q1 is 11,712. Next, Q2. Prerna decided to donate 15% of her monthly salary to an orphanage. On the day of donation, she changed her mind and donated 1896, which was 80% of what she had decided earlier. See, 80% in the sense you need to subtract 20%. What is 10% of 15? 1.5. 20%? 3. If you subtract 3 from this number, that becomes 12%. So 12% is equal to 1892. 12% is equal to 1896. 100% is equal to how much? 12 ones, 12, 69, 5 times, come on, and then 96, that is 8 times. 100, 158 times in the sense 15,800. 15,800. Q1 less than Q2. 8 men and 4 women together can complete a piece of work in 6 days. The work done by a man in 1 day is double the work done by a woman in 1 day. In the sense, efficiency of 1 man is twice that of woman efficiency. If 8 men and 4 women started working and after 2 days 4 men left and 4 new women joined, in how many days, how many more days will the work will be completed? Now, so this particular people can complete the work in 6 days. They started working 8 men and 4 women, but worked for only 2 days. So you know that 1 man efficiency is equal to 2 women. So in place of 8 men, can we take this as 16 women and 4 women, 20 women. Now 20 women need to complete the work in 4 days. 6 days work we have, but out of 6 days, they worked already for 2 days. Yes. Are you getting? Next. After that, 4 men left. 4 men efficiency is equal to 8 women. If 8 women left and 4 women joined, finally 4 women left. Out of 20 women. Out of 20 women, if 4 women left, there will be only 16 women. 16 women can do it in how many days? 4 times 4, 5 times. Answer 5. Convert entire equation to only men or women. Clear? So Q1 is equal to 5. Next Q2. On a school's annual day, sweets were to be equally distributed among 112 children, but on that particular day, 32 students were absent out of 112. So how many were present? 80 were present. 80 were present. Thus, remaining students got 6 extra sweets. So, total extra sweets available are 80 into 6. Agreed? Yes or no? So, why do we have these extra sweets? Because 32 students were absent. If they were present, these many number of chocolates or sweets supposed to distribute among those 32 people only. So, divided by 32. 8, 16 5 times, 16 2 times, 2 3 times, 5 3s 15. So, if they were present 32 people, each student would get 15 chocolates. Each student would get 15 chocolates. Now how many they are getting? How many chocolates they are getting? 21. Because 80 were present and those 80 students are getting how many extra chocolates? So now each student is getting 21 chocolates. Clear? So Q1 less than Q2. Compound interest occurred at an amount of 25,500 at the end of 3 years is 8,440.5. What would be the simple interest occurred on the same amount at the same rate in the same period of time? Now, this is for how many years? 3 years. What is 10% value? 2,550. Near about how many 2,500s are there? 3. 4 ante 10,000 kada. 4 2,500 means 10,000. But you have 8,440, which is more than 7,500. Yes or no? So, as this number is more than 30%, can we take a rate of interest as 10% per annum? Even if you calculate, you will get the same. You calculate, compound interest for 3 years and principal. If you can calculate this as a percentage, you will get 33.1%. When you are getting 33.1% interest for 3 years, then rate of interest per annum should be 10%. Now, you are asked to calculate simple interest for 3 years. That will be 3 into 10%, how much? Come on. 30% of 2,550. What is 10%? 25,500. This is your principal. On principal, we need to calculate simple interest for 3 years at 10% per annum. That is 30%. What is 10%? 25, 50. 30% in the sense, 3 times of this, that is 7,650. Take this number 2,550 as 2,500 plus 50. 3 times of 2,500 is 7,500. 350 is 150. Total 7,650. Clear? So Q1 is 7650. Next, Q2. In a college election between two candidates, one candidate got 55% of total valid votes, 15% of votes were invalid. if the total votes was 15,200, what is the number of valid votes the other candidate got? Other candidate gets what percentage? 45%. If one is getting 55%, the other will get 45% of valid votes. Now, total votes are 15,200. Invalid votes are 15%. What is 10%? 15, 20. 5%, 7, 60. So total 15%, 2,280. So if you subtract invalid votes, then you will get valid votes, correct? Am I right? That is 12,920. And out of this, one candidate is getting 55%, so other gets 45%. So you need to get 45% value. 45%, how will you get 45%? 50% minus 5%. What is 50%? 6,460 minus something you have? Yes or no? Q2 is less than Q1. You know already Q1 value, which is in 7,600s. If you subtract something from this number, again that will be less than 6,400. Obviously that is less than Q1. Q1 is more than Q2. The angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 2, 4, 7, 5. Total how many parts we have? 18 parts. If 18 parts is equal to, what is total angle in quadrilateral? 360 degrees. Then one part is 20? Yes or no? The smallest angle of the quadrilateral. What is smallest angle of the quadrilateral? 2 parts. 2 parts in the sense? 40 degrees. Correct? Is equal to the smallest of the triangle, and one of the angle of the triangle is twice the smallest angle of the triangle, right? So you know that smallest angle of the triangle itself is 40. Then what is 2 times of this number? 80. What is sum so far we got? 120 out of 180. Then other angle 60 degrees. So now you got 3 angles of triangle. What is your question? The second largest angle of the triangle. What is second largest angle? 60 degrees. Second largest angle, which is 60. Q1 is 60. Next. On a test consisting of 250 questions, Jesse answered 40% of the first 125 questions correctly. 40% of 125. 40% in the sense? Sorry, wait, no, not required. Wait, not required. Not required. What percentage of other 125 questions does she need to answer correctly for her grade on the entire exam to be 60%? See how many questions we have total? 250. Out of 250, 125 questions are already over. Remaining how many questions we have? 125 questions. Overall, what percentage we are expecting? 60% in the sense, getting 60% on first 125 questions and 60% on next 125 questions. Will that be equal to 60% of total 250? But out of first 125 questions, what is made? 40%. How much extra we want? 20. We should get the 20 from second 125. Yes or no? So already from second 125 we need to have 60% and extra 20. Total how much we need? 80% we need. 60% from second 125, and to make first 125 60%, you need to have extra 20%. So what percentage we need here? 80%. What was Q1 we got? 60. So Q1 less than Q2. Bus fare for one person is 420 from Agra to Aligarh, and train fare between the same place for one person is equal to 3/4 of the bus fare of 2 persons. What is bus fare for one person? 420. For 2 persons? 840. Out of 840, if you calculate 3/4, then you will get train fare. Yes or no? 3/4 in the sense, can we take it as 75%? Out of 840, 75% in the sense, half plus half of it, which is equal to 630. So train fare is equal to 630, whereas bus fare is equal to 420. Clear? Now what is your question about? What is the total fare paid by 2 persons traveling by bus, 4 persons traveling by train between 2 places? 2 persons are traveling by bus, in the sense 2 into 420, that is 840. Come on. And how many persons are traveling by train? 4 persons. 4 persons in the sense 4 times of this number? 600 4 times. 600 4 times. 2400, 34 times. 120. Total 3360. Got it? Total fare 3360. So Q1 is 3360. Next. What would be the cost of building a fence around a square plot with area equal to 361 square feet? If area is 361, what is the side? 19. Fencing is to be done over perimeter, that is equal to 4 into side, that is 4 into 19. And what is cost given? 62 into 62. 4 19s. 76 into 62. Can you take 76 as 75 plus 1? Yes. 75 times in the sense 100 times, half and half. 100 times of this number, 6200. Half of that, 3100. Again half of that, 1550. So how many times we got now? 75 times, but we need 76 times. So you need to again add 62. Whatever it is, this is definitely more than Q1 value. What is Q1? 3360. Now it is, this value is in 4000. So Q1 less than Q2.